Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate KeyBank Rewards card online step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type the official KeyBank website URL in the address bar. Press the Enter key to load the home page. Locate the Login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to open the Login panel. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Click the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Rewards section of your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Activate Rewards Card. Click on this option to initiate the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your rewards card number. Carefully input the rewards card number in the provided field. Next, you may be asked for additional identifying information. Fill in any required details as prompted on the screen. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Activate button to proceed. A confirmation message will appear, indicating your rewards card is activated. You can now start earning rewards with your KeyBank Rewards card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.